Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a Yuki Daruma. Yuki Daruma means snowman in English. This drink has sake, triple sec, sparkling wine, lemon juice, and lime juice. I'm going to garnish it with a lime peel and a maraschino cherry. First, we'll add 2 ounces of nice sake. Next, we'll add a ½ ounce of triple sec. Put in a ½ ounce of lemon juice. And a ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Add ice and give it a good shake. Strain into your glass. And top with a nice dry sparkling wine. Let's open this one. And there it is, the Yuki Daruma, Snowman. Enjoy!